What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you're watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Here I'm sharing a very simple home remedy to keep your skin smooth, soft, and supple. This remedy requires only two ingredients from your kitchen: papaya and honey. Only two ingredients. Papaya has a natural bleaching properties which helps to lighten the dark spots and acne marks. This fruit is also helps to reduce the aging like crow's feet around your eye and wrinkles around your mouth. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Apply this face pack weekly twice to get best results. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting DIY tips. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Bye.